Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Samima again, and today's my topic was
What this? One girl asked me for what products we should take care about my skin. My skin is dry, and what products we should take. My skin is oily. What is this? I can't go with any products. I'm just getting irritation. I'm just getting itchy, and I was just feeling irritation.
so for all these things I'm here to solve it. For which skin type you will need a best product. You can ask me how can you say these all, because we all read in several YouTube videos and we'll consult dermatologist and we read through internet etc. 5 skin types you are having. Firstly, normal skin, oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, sensitive skin. Apart from these, you all will have acne prone skin and anti-aging skin. Firstly, acne prone skin, because nowadays everyone is facing this problem a lot. SN, and I thought to say tip about pimples reduction, but so many were asking about. Firstly, say about these skin types and about the products for what skin type we use. So that's why I wanna take a video on this suddenly. So for acne prone skin, you need to take care a lot. For that, you need cleanser, toner, moisturizer. Next, sunscreen. Sunscreen is the first most thing you have to take care a lot, because when you are going into the sun, you just feel so much of tan, and your skin may burn. You just get irritated. For that, you need to take care about sunscreen. You can use any sunscreen with SPF 50 or above, 30 or above. It's your preference. And for pimples, you need to have this Neutrogena Acne wash. See, Acne wash, oil free skin. For any skin type you can use. You can use for dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin also. Here it is written, it's suitable for sensitive skin. This is the best product I'm using since past years, and I love Neutrogena. And mine is combination skin, and it's suitable for every skin type, I think. And I don't know about normal skin people. I never tried it on them, because my mom is having oily skin and mine is combination skin with dry skin and oily at the T-zone, so it will cover. You just don't need to exfoliate, because cells and pimples will just evaporate. So that's why you should not exfoliate for acne prone skin. It's a big mistake what you people are doing. And I just told about acne prone skin, so that's why I wanna say about dry skin now. You need to take care a lot. Only the dry skin people should need to take care a lot, because the things what you are having is, while you go into the sun, your skin may burn, your skin just get attacked by the heat or wind, too much of humidity, too much of cold. You can't tolerate these all things. And secondly, taking a hot bath. You all take now without cold water. You just heat up your water and you just take bath. So it will not work for dry skin. Smooth clothes, smooth pillows. You need to have some smooth things, then your skin may get smoothness, fresh, looky and healthy. For that, you all need to have products like Hydrate Serum, Hydrating Cleanser, Hydrating Moisturizer. Word you need to take care about hydrating. Before you buy any product, you have to see that word hydrating. Hydrating serum, hydrating moisturizer, hydrating toner. And for dry skin people, you need to exfoliate, chemical exfoliation. What is meant by chemical exfoliation means it's nothing but peel offs, masks. These are the exfoliators, and whatever the chemical ingredients are included, that you have to see and you have to buy and you have to use it. And I will say about exfoliation in the next video. And normal exfoliation is nothing but scrub. For any skin, you doesn't need to exfoliate because can't get a healthy skin. So that's the thing you need to take care on dry skin. What? There are 5 products on dry skin: hydrating cleanser, hydrating serum, hydrating toner, chemical exfoliation, and night serum, whatever you need. Okay, and coming up to the next, mine is combination skin. So I want to say small thing about that now. Second one is combination skin. First, already I have told about essence skin. Secondly, dry skin. Thirdly, combination skin. What's about combination skin? It will have here dryness, and in the T-zone itself you will have some oily. That's the combination skin. Most of the people will have combination skin. So for them, you doesn't need to exfoliate. You should not exfoliate any time. But you should take care about double cleanser. Morning you have to cleanse it, and evening also have to cleanse it. Firstly, about moisturizer, Neutrogena. It's for dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin. Preferable one is Neutrogena products. Apart from that, you can take anything about ST Botanicus and Aveeno, Clinic, Karma Veda, Ayurveda. You can choose anything, but I personally use this for my combination skin. And secondly, at the night time I use aloe vera gel and face wash, Essence face wash, morning and evening. And that's my combination skin routine. Now I'm going to say about oil skin. Oil skin people should take care about these things very perfectly. Why you will have oily skin? You all have a greasy, shiny, dull look on your face, then you can say it's oily face. And the second most thing is you will have acne, blemishes. Third most thing is that if you go into hot sun, then it can be caused with so much of tan. Because of that, your skin may look like oily skin. Pimples, blemishes, blackheads you may have. And why you just having that type of things? Because of hot sun, and secondly because of your hormones cause, and due to stress also you can have. These are the things you need to know. And what are the tips you need to have for oily skin? First most tip is you need to cleanse morning and evening twice a day. Second most tip is you should not pinch or squeeze your pimples. You should not touch your face mainly. I used to have do these things a lot, so that's why it takes long time to reduce my pimples. Third most thing tip is you should not go into the hot sun or near any fire or near to the stove or any hot things. That's the things we need to take care about. And what products you can use? Nothing but I already have said you, Neutrogena products are the best products you can use for any skin. And if you want to try it, you can try Aveeno. The foundation is for oily skin is Maybelline, Too Faced. These are the best things. If you want it to a high price, you can choose Makeup Forever, Bobbi Brown. That's your wish. And primer you need to have is Benefits and Smashbox. In the low price, some NYX. You can just go up with anything. And finally, one more skin is normal skin. Next, the fourth skin is sensitive skin. Sensitive skin, for sensitive skin, you need to take care a lot apart from these skins, because for sensitive skin, you all knows itchiness, redness, blemishes, sign without using products only. For that, you need to take care about cleansing, toning, moisturizer and serum, eye cream, bathing. For sensitive skin, you all need to have the products like cleanser first, Olay cleanser, moisturizer. You need to have moisturizer like Neutrogena or Dermalogica. That will be best for sensitive skin. And you need have a eye cream. Doctors, any suggestions you can take care about that. And first mostly thing what you have to do for sensitive skin is you should just thoroughly exfoliate your skin. For the exfoliation, you can use that exfoliation as daily, weekly or monthly as per the skin what it gets the result. If your skin feels some itchiness or any redness or anything, then just stop exfoliating for daily or weekly or monthly. If it doesn't suits for you, you can have to go to doctor for that severe sensitive skin. And for normal skin, there will not be any imperfections, any itchiness or anything. Normal skin will be like not oily, not dry or not sensitive, nothing. That will be the perfect skin who has, they are the luckiest people, I can say. You can use any products, any foundations, any concealers. And I just forgot to say, for sensitive skin, what primer and foundation you need to have. Primer is nothing but Smashbox, and you need to have concealer RMS Beauty, foundation from CoverGirl. For normal skin, any liquid foundations. And I just forgot this, you need to have, for oily skin you need to have a pressed powder foundation, and liquid foundation for normal skin and dry skin, creamy foundation for combination skin, and sensitive skin you have to take care a lot. And I just suggested the foundation what you should take care about. That's a CoverGirl foundation. And that's it for today. And you all can say why you are using so much of makeup, blah blah blah, and I just never use any makeup things. I just use this moisturizer first and this Revlon makeup compact. see, just a compact, nothing else, and a lipstick from Nykaa. Shit, lipstick from Nykaa. That's it. That's it for today's, and you all just subscribe my channel for more new things. I hope you all just loved my tips what I was giving for you. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe to Samima's Beauty Conscious, and I just changed my name quickly just in a month, like Samima Makeover. Thank you. Bye bye.